Die grinders are essential power tools that every auto mechanic, welder, auto body repairman, and steelworker should have in their tool chest. There are many products available to choose from die grinder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best die grinder from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 3101G Heavy Duty Air Angle Die Grinder. Ingersoll Rand is also a famous name among mechanics due to its incredibly reliable power-packed products. If Milwaukee produces the best battery-powered tools, Ingersoll Rand makes the best air-powered ones. The latest addition to the company's collection of die grinders is the 3101G model, providing more than enough power to seamlessly grind, polish, deburr, cut, and handle the toughest jobs. Even though the Ingersoll Rand 3101G looks like any other die grinder out there, don't be fooled. The important thing is what's inside. It features a ball-bearing build and 1/3 horsepower motor that is exceptionally compact, rugged, and lightweight. Moreover, even though it doesn't feature intricate ergonomics like some other models, the rubber grip is actually quite comfortable, even when used for a prolonged period. What we like about it? Incredibly well built. Affordable. Best value for money. 1/3 HP motor. 1-year warranty. Ergonomic design. Extremely lightweight. What don't we like about it? One of the best in the industry. Number 2. Aircat Composite Angle Die Grinder. Despite being a relatively new power tool brand, Aircat offers some of the best die grinders on the market. The brand provides unrivaled versatility, maximum durability, and some of the best designed grips in the industry. The Aircat 6255 is famous for its excellent internal mechanics that can help you execute your projects with the highest quality finish. It includes premium quality air chambers, state-of-the-art turbines, and bearing surfaces. What we like about it? Extremely compact. High performance. Easy to use. Most ergonomic handle in the game. Quiet operation. Feather trigger. Rear exhaust. What don't we like about it? Slightly lower build quality than the two previous models, but still more than good enough. It wouldn't have made the list otherwise. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand Die Grinder. This Ingersoll Rand 1/4 die grinder is very similar to the model above, although in a straight design. You might wonder why we have added both to this list, right? The reason is quite simple. Every professional auto mechanic absolutely needs one of each. Straight die grinders can reach where angle grinders simply can't. Moreover, some tasks are just uncomfortable to perform with a right angle model. For instance, grinding an exhaust pipe still on a vehicle will often require both. Just like any other Ingersoll Rand die grinder, this one is durable, reliable, and powerful while being encased in a very lightweight compact design. What we like about it? Ball bearing construction. Highly durable. Reduced vibrations. Extremely lightweight. Rear exhaust. Spins up to 27,000 RPM. What don't we like about it? Comparatively louder than similar models. Number 4. Campbell Hausfeld Straight Die Grinder. If you've been in the field for some time, you should know Campbell Hausfeld all right. While not being anywhere close to being as good as the previous models, it's still a pretty suitable die grinder to start with. After all, every mechanic out there had to start somewhere, and very few of us had the budget to buy a full set of Milwaukee power tools from the get-go. If you are still a beginner auto mechanic or just a weekendier wrenching on cars in your free time, unless you want to throw money out the windows, there's no real reason to buy the most expensive grinder you can find. The Campbell Hausfeld Get Stuff Done die grinder will still get the job done just fine. It simply doesn't feature all the bells and whistles that more expensive ones have. What we like about it? Durable. Perfect for beginners and weekendiers. Extremely lightweight design. Rubber handle for increased comfort. Several airflow adjustments for full control. Provides 25,000 RPM and 0.2 HP. 2-year warranty. Does what it's supposed to do. What don't we like about it? Doesn't last as long as other more expensive models. No trigger lockout. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Cordless Die Grinder. If you're looking for a die grinder capable of delivering the performance demanded by professional mechanics, look no further. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel is the model you need. Milwaukee is a world-renowned power tool company that makes reliable and long-lasting products specifically designed for the automotive industry. In fact, pretty much every power tool Milwaukee produces is quite incredible. Its M12 Fuel right-angle die grinder is no different. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel provides customers with an exceptional build quality, much better than most others on the market. It will last you for years. What we like about it: cordless, reliable, 0.3 HP brushless motor, variable trigger, 4-mode speed control, POWERFUL 12-volt battery, 5-year warranty, 2-year battery warranty, ergonomic design. What don't we like about it? A bit on the pricey side. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.